Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now moving at the support of $20,000, and in today's video we will take a look at this move, and I also want to show you this down channel, and we will also take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the different altcoins here, and I'm still covering those altcoins, which are possibly going to start big reversal moves after this market crash by forming different bullish reversal setups. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And right now you can see that Bitcoin is moving between these two major support and resistance levels, the $20,000 support and $21,500 resistance. So you can see that here it was working as a support, here as a resistance, here as a resistance, and for the past several hours, even several days, from 24th of June, again it is working as a resistance. And right now, after getting rejection, we are dropped at the support of $20,000, and right now you can see we are again testing the support. If it will be broken down, then the next support will be at $19,500, and this is, by the way, stronger than this support, because this is also the resistance of back here in December 2020, and also the resistance of December 2018 as well. Now let's move back to this 4-hour time frame chart, and here we can see that we also have another support here at $17,900 as well. But this resistance is very important, and if Bitcoin breaks out this resistance, that will be the sign of a very major reversal move from here, because after any crash, especially such waterfall crash, we need the market reversal. We need to watch out for the signals or any signs for the market reversal, and that can be when we find a higher low, and we also find any resistance as well. Like here we have found a higher low, and we have also found a resistance that the price line is not able to break out, that is at $21,500. Let me to show you this move from after March 2022, when we dropped down here. We found a resistance here that was approximately at $47,500, and you can see that we could, even though we have found a higher low, but we could not break out this resistance, and we moved down, and here we again formed another higher low, and at that time we had a resistance here. Let me place a resistance line here, and you can see here it was breaking as a support, and here it was working as a resistance, and we could not break it out, even after forming this higher low, and we rejected. We moved down again, and again we found another higher low here. At that time we had a resistance here, and you can see we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, and here as well, and here it was working as a support, and we could not break it out, even though we had a higher low, but we rejected and moved more down. And right now you can see we again have found another resistance here at $21,500. We have a market reversal from here. That is the first signal that we have found a support. We have formed another higher low and found a resistance here, but we need to break out this resistance. And once this resistance will be broken out, then this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, or the higher low after this low, this next low, the higher than the previous one, can be used as a stop loss. So we are still moving between the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern and the resistance of this $21,500, and also the support of $20,000 as well. And we need to break out. I'm expecting that soon we can break out, because we have a double support here. Now we have $20,000 support. We also have the support of this neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern, and especially from $20,000 to $19,500 is a very strong support zone, because $19,500 is stronger support than $20,000. It is breaking as a support here in the recent short term, this $20,000, but $19,000 has been breaking as a resistance back in 2017 in December 2017 and in December 2020 as well. Now, if we take a look at the this hourly time frame chart, then still we are moving inside this down channel that I was showing you. If we will break it out, then you can see it is showing us the target here at the top of the channel that will be beyond $21,500, approximately up to $21,700. In that situation, it will be a probability that it will break out the resistance of $21,500, and that will be the first signal for the major market reversal. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, because we have a very drastic crash, therefore it will be more safe if we find this signal for the market reversal on the daily time frame. Then we can see even on the daily time frame chart, after March 2022, you can see we found resistance here. We could not break it out. We did not have a higher low on the daily time frame chart, by the way, here. And again, we drop here. We formed another higher low than previous. So that was the first signal. But if I place this trend line at the resistance, then you can see we could not break out this resistance. We moved down, and same thing it is doing right now. We have found another resistance at $21,500, and we have found a higher low than previous. So this is the first signal for the major market reversal, but now we need to break out this resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, it will be confirmed that we have found a bottom here at $17,900, and now from here Bitcoin can move up and it will start the rally or upward move from here. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then let me to take you to the weekly time frame. And we can see that we are still moving under the resistance of weekly SMA, the simple moving average 200. We also need to break it out. Right now, the value of this moving average is $22,490. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI still extremely oversold, and this stochastic oscillator is still oversold. And we also have a bullish divergence on this chart. You can see that the stochastic is forming higher low than previous low, and price line is forming lower low than previous low. So I'm expecting that if we have stochastic and extremely oversold condition, and we are moving in extremely oversold, we are having extremely oversold value of RSI in the history. So there is a probability that we have found a bottom here at $17,900. But unless this resistance won't be broken out, this reversal cannot be confirmed. So we need to wait for this breakout as soon as possible. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.